In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. But if you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. So, let's get right into this video. So what you want to do now is click on the person you think has blocked you. A telltale sign of being blocked is when their profile picture has been deleted or it's gone from your view. At first, it may not seem like it, but once you click on their image, it'll disappear. There's a chance they just removed their profile picture, but still a sign that you might have been blocked. Another way to check is to see if your messages are delivered or sent. So here, I'm going to check. So here, I'm going to send a message really quick. And you can see that's already only has one check mark. Two check marks means it has been delivered. One check mark only means it has been sent. Being sent means your device has sent the message, but having two checks means it's delivered, and delivered means the recipient has received your message or has been notified by their device. But there's a chance that the user just isn't connected to the internet or the phone is turned off. I advise you to wait around 24 hours because within that time, they could have already connected to the internet or they could have already turned their phone on. If not, and even in the succeeding days, there still hasn't been delivered, that probably means you've been blocked. In combination with seeing if their profile picture isn't being shown, that means you've been blocked. A really good way to see if you've been blocked is by making a new group. So you just have to make a new group here and then add the person that you think has blocked you. And then once you've created the group, it's only going to say there's only one participant, even though you saw that we added that person. So that really means you have been blocked. So hopefully that helps to see if you've been blocked or not. Thanks for watching and goodbye.